Welcome to West Park Condominiums. West Park consists of about 206 condominium units, 3 different sections. There's Creekside, Village, and Avalon, and various configurations. It's located approximately 160th, which becomes Milliken Way and TV Highway. It's right next to the 222-acre Tualatin Hills Nature Park in Beaverton. This is the village section of West Park, consisting of 46 condominiums. There's 2 floor plans. There's 2-car tandem garage units with 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 1,046 square feet. And there's 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath units with a 2-car side-by-side garage. They vary between 1,427 and 1,477 square feet. A little bit of variation there. There's 46 units in here. This is the Creekside section of West Park. There's 78 units in here. They're all 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. The larger unit has a 2-car garage and is 1,478 square feet. The smaller units have a single-car garage. There's still 3 bedrooms, 3 baths with a 1,398 square feet. The ones around the perimeter here border on the wetlands with beautiful views towards the nature park. There are interior units that run along here. There's a green belt section that runs down here with additional parking. This is the common area of West Park. It's right alongside more of the Creekside area. Swinging around here, this is some more village units. As I said, they're all up and down style with garages on the lower level. There's 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom units in here. Very nice. View of Avalon. There's 79 units in Avalon. 1 and 2 bedroom. All have single car attached garages. They vary in size from about 800 to about 1,120 square feet. Some have 1 bathroom. A lot of them have 2 bathrooms. Very nice, quiet community. This is the Tualatin Hills Nature Park, 222 acres. There's over 5 miles of trails and paths, several ponds, a couple of creeks run through it. A lot of wildlife in here, deer, squirrels, rabbits. Beautiful area. Just a short, about a 10-minute walk from West Park. Great. After you leave the park entrance with the interpretive center, you can just head down this trail here. It's actually more of a path. This is a paved path, so it's wheelchair accessible. There are some gravel paths that go off in different directions. This is one of the gravel paths. It's going to take us over towards the big pond, which is one of my favorite spots in here. This is Beaverton Creek. It flows through the nature park from one end to the other. Bridge coming over here, and it kind of meanders down there. Boy, all this brush has really gotten high in the last month or so. Here's Beaverton Creek again. Like I mentioned, it flows through the park. Right over here, a couple of years ago, we saw an otter who's doing its work. There's otter. I understand there's a few beaver, and there's nutria. If you're really lucky and you're really quiet, sometimes you run across some deer, some rabbits occasionally, a lot of wildlife, birds. This is the boardwalk that leads up to this area. Beautiful. All the trees up there. A lot of big old growth firs and pine in there. Welcome to this condo here. It's 1,398 square feet. It's got 3 bedrooms. It's got 3 bathrooms. Here's the lower bathroom. It's got a washer and dryer. This is the garage here. It's a nice, good-sized single-car garage. Lots of storage area. It's got a nice little dining area here. Coming through the kitchen, it's got a refrigerator. Nice pantry area here. Gas cooktop. This is practically new. Same with the stainless steel microwave. Dishwasher. It's got a new sink. Very good condition, everything. Here's the living room. Lots of light coming in. Gas fireplace. TV nook up there. Another dining area. A little patio area out there. Go upstairs here. Upstairs we have 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Here's a spare room. You can see all the measurements on the site there. This is another spare room. This is a very big room. It's about 16 by 20 feet, as I recall. Closet. Spare bathroom. Nice tub shower. This is the master bedroom. Nice size. Lots of light coming in. Very big bathroom. Double sinks. Toilet area. It's got a tub shower area. Walk-in closet. Everything's in really good shape.